Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.